let's jump into calendar. Remember, I say it first and you echo. The month is November. I'm going to add no school here and here. The week of Thanksgiving, you guys will not have school, although Miss Lawler will still be here. All right, so last time I saw you, it was November 12th. We've had the 13th, 14th, 15th, which makes today the 16th. It is the 16th day of November. So I'm going to fill it in. November's the 11th month. November 16th, 2020. Now let's put it in the word form. November 16th, 2020. All right, today is Monday. So if today is Monday, hop backwards to yesterday. And yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last week we had been at school for 38 days. If we're at 38 and we add one more, then now we have 3 groups of 10 and 9 ones, which makes 39. All right, let's make 39 cents. I'm going to pull down a quarter again, so that's 25. I'm going to add a dime, that's 35. And then I'm going to say 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, here are your words. Know them and know them fast. 2. He. As. We. Of. 4. Alright, so our number is 16. Let's put it in expanded form. I know that 10 plus 6 equals 16. Let's put 16 right here. What comes after 16? And my little helper here knows that it's 17. So now we're going to go backwards. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. All right, let's get our number 74. What's 1 less than 74? 73. What is 1 more? 75. Let's look at our tens place. Take 1 10 away, and what do we have? 64. Now 64, 74, 84. All right, let's get our big number. 568. So let's put it here, 568. Look at your hundreds place. Take 1 away from 5, and what does this number become? 468. Look back at your hundreds place and add 100 more. What does it become? 668. All right. Let's get 2 numbers. 154. 754. Remember, the gator's got a chomp, chomp, chomp. The greatest number. So I'm going to pull this symbol down and let's read what it says. 154 is less than 754. Great job today, you guys.